Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the LiftMaster L993M remote. This remote uses ultra-secure encryption, which helps protect the remote code from hacking. It is compatible with LiftMaster garage door openers manufactured after 1997 that use safety sensors. For this battery change, you will need a CR2032 coin battery. You can also use the Visor clip from the remote to help open the housing. First, remove the Visor clip from the back of the remote. Next, locate the screw that holds the remote housing together. Using a small screwdriver, loosen and remove the screw. Put it somewhere safe so you do not lose it. Once the screw is out, one side of the remote housing should start to release. The other side is still held together by a small clip. You can use the Visor clip to gently help separate the two pieces of the housing. Work slowly so you do not damage the plastic. Once the remote is open, put the top housing piece aside. Now, carefully lift out the circuit board and flip it over. You should see the coin battery right away. Push the old battery out of the battery compartment. The replacement battery is a CR2032. Take the new battery and slide it back into the compartment the same way the old one came out. Make sure it sits flat and secure. Now we can reassemble the remote. Start by placing the circuit board back onto the backplate. It should sit into the small guide tabs right away. Then place the top button housing back on and press the two pieces together until you hear or feel it click back into place. After that, reinstall the screw and tighten it carefully. Do not over-tighten it. Finally, slide the Visor clip back on. That's it! The battery replacement is done. I'm also including the instruction sheet that came in the box for reference. Thanks for watching.